Hey guys, thought I'd do an unboxing. Quick disclaimer, I know I said last year I wasn't going to get the phone, but I got the phone. I know, I'm an Apple sheep. Excuse my appearance, I am currently off work due to infections and rashes, but hey ho. I got this phone by trading in my XS Max, which is obviously paid for, and yeah, so I thought I'd just give you an explanation. I traded in my XS Max. It was in fantastic condition, so I got some money off this device by paying like £46, £45 a month for it, so why the hell not? But let's just get into it. The phone is already unboxed and working, but I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing for you because I didn't do one because I was at the Apple store transferring all my crap over, and yeah. So I got the gold one, obviously, because I like the colour gold. I got the 64GB one because that's the only one they had, which was on launch day. I never bought a phone on launch day before, so this is the first. It was on launch day and they had the gold, which I wanted, which is 64GB. So yeah, so the box is gorgeous. So as you open it up, bum bum bum, it's black, obviously. And this is what comes to the phone in a minute. And then obviously as you open it up, you have your Apple instructions, which says hello and stuff, and obviously Apple stickers, which I wish was gold. That would be perfect. I do apologise for the sun, it's going in and out. It also came with obviously a charger, but this charger have a USB-C on the end because they finally added fast charging into this phone this year. So this bit goes into this bit, so that's perfect. I also got some earbuds, but I don't need them now because I've got AirPods, but you never know when you're going to need earbuds. So this is the phone that I got. It's the the gold one. I love the back so much. It makes it look so slick. I didn't like the phone at first. I thought the camera looked ugly, but when I held it and started looking at it, I fell in love. I was torn between this phone and the iPhone 11 because it had those colours. So I went with this beauty. It's already set up, so yeah, I've already got a screen protector on it because the iPhone 11 Pro Max is the same screen as the iPhone XS Max, so I just used one of my XS Max screen protectors and it works like a dream. I also got a case. I've got two cases actually. So I've got this one that I got from O2. It was £20, and obviously I bought the pop socket ages ago on holiday from the pound shop. So the pound shop, and it was only £1. So this is a Tech 21 case, which is really, really good. And I also bought this one from eBay, and it's clear. So I got two guys that like me to do any more videos about the the iPhone 11 Pro. Comment down below and I will do that, or any more case collections, because the cases that I've got now I can't use for my phone, but my mum has the XS Max, so she can have all those cases. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Okay guys,